Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. So on Zoom, we have three different ways you can schedule a meeting. You can schedule a meeting on the Zoom mobile app, on the app for your PC or your computer, either Mac or Windows, or you can schedule a meeting on the Zoom website. But today, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule a meeting on the Zoom mobile app, and I'll leave a link in the description where I did a tutorial of how you can schedule a meeting on the Zoom app for PC, on Windows or Mac, or on the Zoom website. So once you have the Zoom app open, if you just look at the top, you should see an option there that says schedule. You can easily go over there and just click on that. And once you have selected that, you see a lot of options here would come up on your screen. The first space provided for you there is where you can input the topic of the Zoom meeting. That's what you want the topic of the meeting to be called. So here I'll just call this my channel. And once you're okay with the name or the topic for the meeting, the next option there is the date, where you can set the date and the time, that is the duration of how long you want the meeting to be. So when the meeting would start and then when the meeting will finish. Then the next option there is the time zone. You can change the time zone if the time zone for you right there is not showing the correct one. And the next option there you have is repeat. If you want this meeting to be a recurring meeting, maybe every week or every 2 weeks or every month, you have a lot of options here which you can select to make this meeting to repeat automatically by itself. Then the next option that we have under security, you notice that it says require meeting password. You can see this option here is automatically grayed out, which means that if you try to select it or deselect the option, there is no way, or it's not possible for you to remove the meeting password for the meeting you are making. If you have this option selected, for the account type you're using, it's required you make use of a password. So underneath there, you can see the password. You can change it to whatever password you want, or you can use the automatically generated password there. Just underneath password there, you can see we have enable waiting room. This allows people coming into joining the meeting for them to be put in a room where they have to wait until you allow them or you accept them into the meeting. So this is also very important. So you can select this and turn this on. And here now it says only allow authenticated users. People that have a proper account with Zoom can be allowed, so you can select that option if you want. And under meeting options there, you can see we have host video on and participants video on. Selecting this option turns on the video for yourself and also for participants that join the meeting. So click on this if you want this option, and then here we can go to advanced options. Just below advanced options we have allow participants to join before host. This allows them to join the meeting before you do. If you want this, you can easily select here and then turn this on, and you can automatically record the meeting, meaning a recording of the meeting will be kept and saved for you. And the next option that we have is approve or block entry for users from specific countries or region. So if there's any particular region or country you would not like to be able to access this meeting or join the meeting, you just have to click this and then select or block whatever country or region you'd like not to join the meeting. And the last option there is to add this to your calendar. This will automatically ask you for the calendar type which you use on your phone, and then you'd have to select this and choose the calendar type which you use, and this meeting will be automatically added your default calendar for your phone, and then it will be set as a reminder in your calendar just to let you know whenever the meeting is supposed to hold. So once you're done with everything and you're fine with the options, you simply head over to the top and then click on done at the top right corner of the page. And then once the meeting is scheduled for you, it will ask you for your different mailing options for you to invite people you'd like to come to the meeting. But there's no problem, we can leave this out for now. I'll show you another place, another way which you can also access and also send mails to people you'd like to invite to the meeting. So I'll just click out of this, and here now you can see the meeting has been scheduled for you. You can see the time, you can see the topic of the meeting, you can see the meeting ID, the duration and the password for the meeting. So if you'd like to start the meeting immediately without the set time, you can easily click on start here. You can see you can also add this to your calendar as well. You can also invite people here, so this is where you can select invite, and you have a whole host of options here where you can decide to send the meeting informations and invite the people you'd like to invite to the meeting. And just underneath this here, you can see we have copy to clipboard, just in case you want to copy this invitation and post it in a group chat or any particular place you would like to copy it to. And then the last option there we have is delete. In case you look at the meeting and you notice that you had made a mistake somewhere in the detailing of the meeting, you can simply head over to edit at the top here and I click on this, and here you have the option to also change or remove whatever thing you feel is not correct, or update any particular settings in the meetings you want. And once you are done, you can just click on done at the top right corner of the page, and you can see you are brought back to this page here. So once you're okay with this and the options you feel you have set are okay, you can simply head back here, and so you can see here you are brought to your home page. So once you are brought back to the home page and you want to easily see where the meetings which you have scheduled are, if you look at the bottom part of the app, you can see here we have meetings. You can simply click on this and you can see the most current meeting which we have scheduled. You can see the one we scheduled here called my channel. You can see here the meeting displaying here. If you simply click on this, you can see the information which you have set, and if you want to start the meeting or edit the meeting or add this to your calendar one more time, you can simply do or make these changes from here. Okay guys, that's all for how you can schedule a meeting on the Zoom mobile application on your mobile device. And I also have lots of helpful tutorials on my channel. Please check out my other content as I post helpful and wonderful videos all the time. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button if you found the video helpful. I'll see you all on the next one. Have a great day.